The town of Lairg looks like a peaceful village on the southern shores of Loch Shin in Scotland, but this area was once the site of an apocalyptic asteroid impact. Researchers believe this is the location where a 3 km wide meteorite struck 8 km into the Earth's crust 1.2 billion years ago. Traveling at about 65,000 km per hour with 940 million times the energy of the bomb that hit Hiroshima, this asteroid may have been larger than what wiped out the dinosaurs. The massive asteroid has not only been dubbed one of Earth's biggest asteroid impacts, but researchers have also named it Lairg Asteroid after the quaint town. Dr. Michael Sims, curator of paleontology at the Ulster Museum in Belfast, has been working on this project since 2008, reports David Sanderson with The Times. During the investigation, he found unusual rock formations in the northwest region of Scotland that contained an ejecta blanket that could have only been created by a space impact. Ejecta blanket is a symmetrical apron of particles in the area that surrounds a crater. This evidence, according to Dr. Sims, suggests that there once a crater in the area that was 40 kilometers wide, which ranks among the top 15 of 200 craters that have been identified on Earth. Since the impact, rock has gradually made its way over what was once a gaping hole in the group, which eventually allowed 900 residents call Lairg home. It is such an ancient time, Dr. Tori Harridge with the Natural History Museum in London told The Times. The biggest problems are unconformities, gaps in the geological record. You are not going to be able to see before and afterwards. But I am sure there was an impact and it would have been quite apocalyptic. In a matter of seconds it would have changed the landscape. Solving what Dr. Harridge calls the enigma of the lost meteorite began when Dr. Sims first shared his findings, which were first believed to be rock formations in the stretch of water known as Minge. However, Dr. Sims found more clues while studying the area that suggested 4 groups of wedge-shaped ejecta were all pointing inland. He then turned to geophysics for further analysis. Gravitational pull, he explained, has a huge part in the density of rocks. The Lewisian that lays beneath Lairg is a hard rock and has slightly more gravitational pull. If you have got a great big hole dug into the Lewisian gneiss and then filled with sand and rubble, which is what happens with an impact crater, you are going to get a gravity low, a gravity anomaly, Dr. Sims explained to The Times. Now, when researchers combine Lairg's low gravity and the direction of the wedge-shaped ejecta, the results put the village dead center of the impact. It's extraordinary, Dr. Sims said. Perhaps one of the biggest impact craters on Earth.